Alright everyone, just wanted to give you a quick update, let you know what was happening. Like I said, I got a lot going on. You can see I'm back, feeling better, but I'm still got to take my time a little bit, kind of rushing stuff a little much, health-wise. So I got to slow down just a little bit, but there's going to be a lot going on and a lot of fun too. Going to be a lot of race stuff too, because these guys are going to be going to the racetrack. So we're going to be seeing how fast they go, how they perform. And then later on, I'm going to actually change the gears on this guy. So I already bought some new gears here. I don't know where the little pinion gear is, but anyways, bought some new gears. See if we can't top speed this guy and see what he can get. I do have the Bluetooth Sky RC. That will go and tell me how fast I'm going precisely and through a phone app, so which is awesome. So we're going to see what happens there. And then plus two, I can't wait to go to the beach, or when winter comes, hit them paddle tires. Oh my god, that's going to be so fun, especially like in the snow. I never got to run it out in the snow. Anyways, that's about it, you guys. I'll catch up with you here real soon. Got some races I got to go to this weekend and film and race these guys and have a good time. So talk to you soon. God bless.